Well, I guess it's about time for an update. As you can see, I've got this whole section out, all cleaned up. I've still got to clean a wee bit of surface rust and bits and pieces like that, and put some weldproof primer on and all that sort of stuff. But I'm just doing some little repairs in here. Put the torch down. In here, along that edge, it was rusty, just from about here to about here somewhere. It was quite holy. So this is a piece out of the other car. So I've grafted this in, and on the other side I'm just doing I've done a wee repair too. I've still got to grind it off properly and everything like that, but I'll just and here, put that torch down again. And here it was quite thin in the scene, so I cut the piece off the other one too and welded it in. But apart from that, we're pretty much good to go. Just basic clean up, put some weldproof primer on, and sort of just tidy everything else up. I've got a bit of bracing in there just to make sure that the car wasn't going to spread or anything silly. I think it probably would have been alright, but I just to be safe. So yeah, so we're pretty much ready to go there. Like, it took me hours to get all this off and get it all cleaned up. So yeah, now once I've got that finished welded up over there, I'll go through and I'll clean all that other panel up underneath, put some rust converter in it. I'll clean all the worst of the scale off, put some rust converter on it, and then I'll prime it all. Prime it all with my weld through primer, and I'll mask off in here. I'll mask the edges off, and then I'll spray some. I've got some, what do you call it? Some body deadener stuff in there, so I'll spray all in there, except for where I've got a weld, just to give it some extra protection and all that sort of stuff. And then I'll do the same with the other piece underneath. So that's about what's going on there. So yeah, so there's been a lot of grinding and welding and drilling, and just to try and get this all cleaned up, ready to go. So yeah, we're getting really close to getting this back on. This piece anyway, like apart from a wee bit of welding over there, just to get that replacement piece tidied up, and then grind it off and get it looking nice. Yeah, and then we'll take these other two pieces. Hopefully I'll get this sort of cleaned up, and I'll put some rust converter on it tonight, and then yeah, put the weldproof primer on it, and yeah, and then the body deadener probably first thing in the morning, so I can sort of get into here and hopefully get the majority of this welded back in tomorrow, which would be nice, because then I can carry on to some other things now, because I've got my gas bottle, got my bottle all hooked up. MIG works really good. I've just left it at sort of slow wire speed and just quite a low voltage, and it seems to be working pretty good. I might have to dial it in a little bit better yet, but from what I'm doing, it seems to be working alright so far. So we'll just carry on and do some more, I guess. I thought I'd just better do an update before I start welding everything in, and then I'd go, oh yeah, I've got it in. So I'll just give you a shot of what it looks like without all that stuff gone. Yeah, so we'll leave it at that, and we'll do some more. Alrighty, cheers.